Be careful, John, because it's very windy outside. John is gone. Umalis na siya. And I got a package from Next. I've ordered 2 items from Next because we supposedly go for formal dinner with John's friend, and supposedly it will be today, but they cancel it and it will be tomorrow, Saturday. And my friend says that because it is formal, you have to wear a formal attire because there's a lot of posh people, as what they call it. So that's why I'm not really looking forward to go this party because it's not my class. And feeling ko talaga na I'll be out of place, but kakayanin. Kakayanin. So, ito yung first item. Ita-try natin, ha? Let's try it out. Yung kulay niya, the color is like purplish lace something. So, ita-try ko, ha? Here is the dress. I'll put you right here, okay? So that you can see the whole dress. Here it is. Can you see the whole dress? I like the color because it's like, it's a burgundy purplish color. And I love the bottom area, mga palangga, because it has this like, I don't know what it called, but it has like this belt in the middle, and it gives me a nice figure. Charot. I don't have a nice figure, so belt is needed. And yeah, it fits me perfectly, but I'm not sure about the top area. What do you think? I don't know. I'm very unsure. What do you think? Charot. So let's proceed. The next one. Here it is. This is the second dress. It's a bit big for me because this is size 8 and the other one, the red one, is size 6. The reason why I ordered size 8 because the size 6 is not available anymore. And dito sa harapan, the front area is, for me, it's a bit open. I don't have a lot of cleavage, but it has to be like that at least. And meron siyang kasamang belt. It has a belt. Here you are. So, paano ba to? Oops. I don't know how the belt works. Let's see nga. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Ooh, that's nice. Ah, interesting. What do you think? Para man akong abogado. Uy, I feel like I am a lawyer. Charot, lawyer. Let's eat. Kain tayo. I am having my creamy shrimp pasta. The wind is very strong. It's not as cold, but because the wind is strong, it makes it colder. I am outside, mga palangga, walking with the dogs. Here they are. Hello, you two. John is out. He went out very early. I think umalis siya ng bahay. Oh, did you hear that? Umalis siya ng bahay mga 7:45 in the morning siguro yun. May inaasikaso lang siya. He's doing something important and he needs to be there very early because the appointment is very early. Come on. Pipa, what are you doing in there? Pipa, what are you doing in there? Come on, let's go, girls. Come on. It is sheltered in this area. There's not a lot of wind. But if you go up there, the wind is very strong. Yung dalawa, tingnan nyo, iniwan ako. They left me behind. Or I'm just being very slow. The pond is almost full. Oh, this pond needs cleaning again. And look, we have a snowdrops. You see, and there's more over there. I like the purple ones. Hello, PB. Where is Pipa? Hey. Oh, there she is over there. Did you see her? What are you doing here, little guy, huh? Why you are in the middle? Huh? He lives right here. Nilipad siguro to ng hangin kagabi ba kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin, and I found him in there. Right, you too. Are you ready? Huh? Magkape tayo. Let's have some coffee. And tingnan niyo, ang sweet ni Mister. Before he left at home, he prepared me a coffee. Oh, that's good.
The next day.
I am ready to go. And John is... Sorry, it's so dark. John is having a shower. Knock, knock. Oh no, forbidden. Good evening. We are ready to go out, and that's John's outfit, and this is my outfit. Nothing special.
Like a male model.
Like a male model.
Right.
Yeah, we're going out today with his friends.
Many friends.
Many friends.
About 40.
40 people.
Yeah.
It's a lot. Ouch. That's a lot, isn't it?
You got your coat?
I dropped my coat. Yeah, there's a lot of them, isn't it? I'm actually nervous. I don't know what to expect. You bad! You turned off the light.
Never did wash pot.
I'll put you here because I don't have my tripod with me.
That better?
That's better. It's raining.
I thought it was.
Because John will be driving to the pub. I got my boots.
You don't need shoes driving.
I need my shoes. I need to take this with me.
You don't drive without them.
And
Just take your shoes off. Last time
I
you
am
did.
more comfortable with these shoes. Look at this man, huh?
What?
No wonder our worktop is
Oh.
knackered.
Knackered. There's nothing knackered about this worktop.
So yeah, I am actually nervous going out with this dinner. I don't know. No one.
What's up with them?
I don't know. Because there's a lot of people, and like 95% of them I don't know. So good luck. I hope it will go alright. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. We're too early. Seriously early. Just the two of us. We're waiting for people now. We're having
romantic moment.
We're having a romantic moment. That's what he said. I am having a G2O, and John is... What are you having?
Cider.
A cider. As usual. We are home. It's alright. It's okay night. Time flies so quickly. It's 11. It's 11:30 now in the evening. But I am so thirsty. I need to have a drink. Oh, I will have a coffee before I go to sleep. Actually, some people says, don't you have a trouble sleeping in the night when you drink a coffee in the night? No, I'm used to it. I don't know why. But some people have trouble, but luckily I don't. Look at John. John is right there. I don't know if you could properly see him, but he is there. He is out with the dogs. Bobo time. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow, mga palangga. Mwah. Mwah. I don't know why our light is flickering. Did you see that? You see, it's flickering. OMG.